Here we have for sale our May 2024 on a 24 plate. This is our Ford Transit Custom. It's a 280 model, so 2.8 tonne gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. And this is a short wheelbase or L1 limited panel van, finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. We'll also talk you through what we've done to it during our preparation, the full styling kit that is on this particular example, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. The barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited you get a number of elements which come colour coded. That includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirror caps, all come colour coded in the body colour, which as I say in this case is metallic magnetic grey. Now we have done a number of modifications to this van, as we do on pretty much every van that we sell, and that includes the styling kit. So we can see here we've got this fantastic gloss black rear spoiler which has been added to the top of the rear doors, and then at the bottom then we have got this full gloss black low line aero kit which includes the rear splitter here, the side skirts, and also the front splitter as well. We've also added the very nice carbon rear bumper protector, and just those couple of things, it transforms the look of the rear of the vehicle. In terms of condition, as all of our vehicles are, this vehicle has been completely detailed, so it's been completely machine polished. It's all nicely decontaminated and very, very smooth paintwork all around now on this vehicle. But of course there will be the odd little mark here or there, as there is with any used vehicle. And I can see just here, I can see a little mark just here which has neatly been touched in, but if I can see it I will gladly point it out to you during this video. Having a look at the rear bumper. The rear bumper looks in really good order actually. There doesn't seem to be any marks on there. That looks really very nice. And while we're down there as well, you can see you've got rear parking sensors, and you also get a reversing camera as standard on the Limited, but otherwise condition is looking very, very smart here at the back. When we open up the rear doors, you can see the door then will sort of lock into place there at its 90-degree position, and with a good push it will push past that on this 2-way hinge and will open right out to its full 180-degree position like so. And that in this case allows us to give you maximum accessibility into the back, really show you the condition inside here. So this van, again, like a lot of the vehicles that we sell, this has had full brand new ply lining fitted into the back of it. And ply lining is there for a couple of reasons. One is of course for the aesthetics. It looks nice in the back of the van with brand new ply lining. But of course it is also there for a practical reason, and that is to protect the vehicle. So if you've got cargo moving around in the back of here when you're driving, it's not going to cause a nasty outward dent in the side of your van. You can see here you've got full rear door coverage on the sides of the van. You've got the nice silicone sealed wheel boxes on the side there, and it really does set the van off very nicely indeed. You get this nice hard wearing plastic floor in the back of a Limited, which I think looks very, very smart indeed. And of course you get tie down points dotted around in the back as well, so you can see there's some tie down points dotted around in the back, including down here as well on the sides. But particularly paying close attention here to the exposed painted areas, you can see how clean and tidy this is in the back. You get LED load lights as standard, and then there's also this little extra button there to operate these 2 extra lights at the back as well. If we shut the rear doors then, we'll continue to go around the outside of the van, having a look at the rest of the spec and condition here. So looking here then down the driver's side of the vehicle, and this is where I like to look in these reflections down the side of the van, and this is where you can just see how clean and straight this is down the side here. These are the sort of angles you don't really get to see in photos. This big sign writing panel here, you can just see how clean and straight that is as well. Another modification then, we fitted these fantastic caliber alloy wheels to the vehicle. These are 20-inch. All brand new with brand new, of course, load rated tyres, 245 45 20 tyres, and as I say, they're all brand new. I think they set the van off very, very nicely indeed. Really like the design on those. Like I mentioned earlier, you also get this nice side skirt which has been added, and then let's have a look inside the cab. So looking in here, you can immediately see the condition of the step, the floor, the driver's seat. It's all in fantastic order in here, but you crucially get a brilliant spec inside here, being that this is a Limited. So again, just paying close attention to the condition, it's all very, very nice indeed. You get electric windows, electric folding mirrors, so you can fold them by using that little button just there, and that's where you'll unfortunately see me there. You've got 2 full remote keys, of course, supplied with the vehicle. auto-activated lights, auto-activated wipers, leather multifunctioning steering wheel on the left-hand side. Then you've got your adaptive cruise control settings on there. On the right-hand side, then you've got your onboard computer controls just there as well. Looking at the dashboard, then you can see it's all idling correctly. No warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. 20,825 miles, and then in the center you've got this over 11-inch display here in the center, which gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, crucially both of those wirelessly. So once you've got your smartphone connected to this with Bluetooth, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto on here. Of course, this is where your reversing camera is displayed. So I've put the vehicle into reverse. You can see that's where you get this nice clear reversing camera display there. Of course, you've got DAB radio on there as well. And then along the bottom of the screen, this is where you've got all of your controls along here. So you've got heated front seats, you've got your climate control, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning, all of that along the base there. Your electric fly-off handbrake, a few buttons here as well to control the mode and some of the assistance on the vehicle. 6-speed manual gearbox. I have noticed just on the top of this here, leather-clad gear knob, and you can just see on the very top there, it is just starting to come away there at the very top. Doesn't obviously affect anything, it still feels very nice in the hand, but it's, as I say, if I can see it, I will gladly point it out to you. Underneath then, you've got a USB here and a USB-C, and also a 12-volt socket just there, and you've got a nice little hidden cup holder there. And I've noticed on this van, it's actually got a nice little optional extra, just down here on the side of the seat. This one has got the 230-volt, I don't know if you can even see that, but there is a 230-volt 3-pin plug down there, which is very nice, which, as I say, if you're going to charge something in the cab there, that could be very handy indeed. Moving then around to the front, I mean, condition-wise down here, as you can see, it's pretty much faultless. There's not really anything to fault there. It's looking very, very nice. The tiniest little mark here on the edge of the wing mirror cover I can see there on this new shape Ford Transit Custom. Then you get the fantastic Ford LED headlights with that lovely LED daytime running light there, and also that brilliant honeycomb grille, which is all again part of the styling package that we fit. You also get the gloss black canards there around these vents, and then at the bottom then the front splitter, which has been added as well. In terms of condition here at the front then, you're going to get the odd tiny little stone chip here or there, but there's really not a great deal to fault. It's all looking very, very nice indeed. Having a look at the windscreen, just looking for any chips or anything in the windscreen, but that is all looking very good as well. And then down here, as I say, nothing really to fault. It's looking very smart for, as I say, a van of 20,000 miles. This is a very good example, I must say. And then finally here then, looking down the passenger side of the vehicle, again just looking for any dents or ripples or anything like that. It's looking really very nice indeed. We can open up the side loading door here. This just gives you another aspect of the load space from here. Again, looking at the step, the floor, the bulkhead. This one hasn't got the load through hatch, but a nice solid bulkhead there, but all looking very clean and tidy. Opening up the passenger door then, having a look at the passenger seats. You have got storage here underneath the passenger seats. I always mention this in these videos. This is just a little taste of how well our vehicles are prepared, and the level of detail that our guys go to is that it is as clean here as you will find anywhere else on the vehicle. There really is no stone left unturned. Nice little fold down work tray there as well, with somewhere to store some paperwork. And again, just looking at the dashboard here, it's in very good order. There's actually 2 glove boxes on these, one at the top, one and down the bottom, but all looking very clean and tidy indeed. Now, during our preparation, Bridgend Van Care have gone right through this vehicle, given it a full multi-point health check, but crucially, they have conducted a full service on this van, and a full service with us is all of the filters. So that is, of course, the oil filter, air filter, pollen filter, and also the fuel filter as well. So oil, air, cabin, fuel. All that has been done on this particular van. And I say a full multi-point health check, so it is got a clean bill of health and absolutely ready to drive away straight away. So if you're looking for a van straight away, this one could be for you, because as I say, this is ready to drive away. We can, of course, offer delivery as well. Nationwide, we do an awful lot of delivery. If you're not local to us here in sunny South Wales, we can deliver this vehicle directly to your door. So by all means, get in contact if you'd like a quote for delivery. We can also arrange finance at very competitive rates. Of course, that is subject to acceptance and status. And of course, that can be for private individuals or for limited companies. Rates at the moment starting from 9.4% APR. And we can also take cars or vans in part exchange as well. Now, if you have any further inquiries on this vehicle, we'd of course love to hear from you, and you can find the full advert there on our website, bridgendvans.co.uk, which is where you'll find the price, the description, the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got advertised as well. Thank you very much for watching.